Hi, I'm Dr. Sassy. If you or someone you love is dealing with bladder or bowel control problems, I want to explain a treatment called Axonics Therapy. This is a gentle, proven way to help your nerves talk to your body the right way again. When other options like medicine or diet don't help enough, Axonics can be a smart solution. It uses a tiny device that sends gentle signals to special nerves in your lower back, the ones that control your bladder and bowels. These signals help restore the connection between your brain and your body so things start working better again. Axonics implant surgery happens in two parts. First, there's a short trial. We place thin wires near the sacral nerve and you wear a small device on a belt for a week. If your symptoms improve, we go to the second step, placing a small device under the skin in your upper buttock. This surgery doesn't hurt. You'll be awake but comfy with some numbing in the area, and the whole thing takes less than an hour. Most people feel a little sore for a few days after, and full recovery takes a few weeks. But the reward is big. Better control, less discomfort, and more freedom in your daily life.